Hello guys, welcome back to another episode on Boxmining. My name is Jamie. As we promised before, we'll be making a lot more tutorial videos, and apparently Michael has assigned me to do it. I'm here to make a very short video, and since it's my first time here on this channel alone, if I'm not doing as good as Michael or you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below so that I can improve and do better for you guys the next time. Well, today's topic is the exciting one. I'm gonna show you how to swap tokens on Quickswap as a beginner. It will be completely beginner friendly. For more advanced traders, I'll also be showing you how to provide liquidity on Quickswap platform as well. So why am I showing you how to do this? Because Polygon network is much faster and cheaper than Ethereum, swapping tokens and yield farming on Quickswap is extremely cost effective, and therefore we can also see a rise in the adoption of the platform. Michael, Nathan and I did a video together explaining what Polygon is and why is it so powerful, why is it so important, its pros and cons, etc. So if you want to learn more about Polygon, make sure you watch the video as well by clicking the link on the top right corner. In this tutorial, I will assume that you already have your Metamask ready. However, if you don't know how to create a Metamask wallet, don't worry, Michael got your back. Click the link in the description box below and it will lead you to the Metamask tutorial, and Michael will teach you step by step on how to do it. So without further ado, let's start our tutorial. Instead of Google searching for Quickswap, I'll actually go on CoinGecko and look for Quickswap to make sure you don't click on some other links that could, potentially lose your funds, because there's so many bad people out there will create a duplicated link to Quickswap and try to steal your tokens away. So always make sure the link you're using is legit. So right now, let me just search Quickswap. It's the first one on the list. Scroll down and you'll see in the website sector, and you can just click the link quickswap.exchange. This way you'll know that the link you're using is legit. So now you're officially on Quickswap. It looks really like just Uniswap. It's literally just Uniswap on Polygon. So more and more people are using Quickswap because it's cheap and it's EVM compatible. What it means is actually you can swap your ERC20 token as well. So right now, let me just see how much I've got on my Metamask wallet. So I have got 0.9657 Matic and 2.381 USDC. However, if you literally just started using your Metamask wallet and you have to top up your account, go to your favorite exchange and buy some Matic and transfer to your Metamask account. I usually use Binance, and if I want to swap a bit more from Matic to Angel tokens, you have to go to your exchange. In my case, it would be Binance, to buy some Matic and transfer to your Matic wallet. However, if you guys don't already have a Binance account, you can use the link down in the description box below and it will give you a 10% discount on those transactions fees, and you would also help support the channel. So I'll really appreciate if you can use the link down below. So right now, let me just do a quick demonstration to switch from USDC to Angel tokens. So right now you just have to search for USDC, it's already there, and select a token. Well, I just want to mention something, because in some cases the token you're trying to swap to might not appear on the list. If that's the case, you have to go to CoinGecko and search for the token you're trying to swap to. I'm trying to swap to Angel tokens, so you have to copy and paste the wallet address, click copy and paste it here. And voila, you get the Angel token. Click whatever amount you're comfortable with to swap to. I think in my case, I'll swap maybe 1 USDC to Angel token and go ahead and hit approve. So you've got the confirmation message right on the top corner. So let me just hit swap right now. Confirm swap, and you just have to wait for your transaction to go through. It really depends on how congested the network is right now. If it's more congested, they have to wait for longer. If the same transaction on Uniswap would probably cost you about $100 or something, but in this case, it's going to be very cheap. So I've just got my Angel tokens on my Metamask wallet. So I was using the swapping feature on Quickswap. Let me just go ahead and show you the limit order feature on Quickswap right now. This is actually a very convenient tool, and limit orders have made centralized exchanges, Binance and Coinbase, more popular than DEXs because you can submit an order and buy or sell a token at your desired price. Afterwards, your order should be showing in the open order section at the bottom of the page. Also, check the cancel and executed tabs later to see if your order was successful. Okay, so I have got my Angel tokens on my Metamask wallet. So right now I'm actually trying to buy some on Matic with my USDC with a limit order feature on Quickswap. So you can go to the limit order section and click buy. I'm trying to buy more Matic with my USDC. I can go ahead and search Matic. It's actually on top of the list, so let me just click Matic. USDC max or whatever amount you're comfortable with. So right now the price is 1.23972, and you can set the order to your desired price. In this case, maybe I'll just set it to 7.1 and place order. Confirm order. So I have officially submitted my transaction, and you can actually scroll down and see your order. Still pending. Right now, I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes for my order to go through. So as you can see, I've already got my Matic on my Metamask wallet, and USDC of course have been deducted from my account. So right now I'm gonna show those more advanced traders to provide liquidity on Quickswap. We want to provide liquidity, which is the tokens that we own, to the liquidity pool to facilitate trading on the Quickswap platform and earn passive income on our deposit. So without further ado, make sure you're on the pool tabs and click add liquidity. In my case, right now I have Matic and Angel tokens on my wallet. So I'll be adding Matic and Angel. Click Angel. So right now, let me just go ahead and click max or whatever amount you're comfortable with and provide liquidity. Hit supply, confirm supply, wait for the confirmation message to pop up again. As you can see, the fees are extremely low. Let me just go ahead and hit confirm. Again, my transaction has been submitted. Let me just wait for the confirmation message again. And voila! We have officially provided liquidity on Quickswap. So that's pretty much how you do it. There'll be a lot more tutorial videos coming out in the future, especially a tutorial about, how to use the Polygon bridge. But just bear in mind, moving your funds from Ethereum to Polygon and Polygon back to Ethereum could be expensive, but we will talk about more in details in the future. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you will find this video helpful. Also, make sure you click that like button and subscribe to this channel for more. Any topics you would like me or us or Michael to cover, you can let us know simply by commenting down below. If you want more regular updates from me, do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and my Crypto Gems YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.